So here's the property in Colonial Country Club. Looks like you have some storm shutters up there. They're accordion style. Same for those windows as well. Of course, that door is to the garage. And you have basically a split floor plan design. Kitchen and pantry. They did a beautiful job on the kitchen area. So the master suite's going to be facing the lake. It has a beautiful view. And you actually have a little bit of a water feature. You can see it right over there. And once again, those are storm protection that can roll down for you out here as well. This is the owner's suite. Once again, beautiful view. Nice walk-in closet. Just way back in there. Must be knocking off stuff, I guess. And then you did have a linen closet here as well. Did a nice job of creating a little kick panel there. A lot of people will bump that with their shoe and mar it up, and that sort of protects that area. So this is the den, but truly it could be kind of used as a bedroom as well. I'm sure they have a pull-out couch here. Let me check for you. Nope, but definitely could do one. You do have a small closet, not much of one, but something to hang a few pieces of items, and then of course you could have an armoire or something of that nature in there if you wanted to have it as a third bedroom. One thing I didn't show you is actually the view across the street, which you have another lake. So you have a lake in front of your property and behind. I hope this helps.